Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let's introduce myself. My name is Umma Zakia Nasma Atmalia. Allow me to present the results of my research with Mr. Ahmad Fatoni entitled Effectiveness of Augmented Reality Diorama assessed by Assemble Edu in improving elementary school science learning outcomes. Table of content. 1. Introduction. 2. Research methods. 3. Results and discussions. 4. Conclusions. Introductions. During the learning process, the lecture method is still used. Because the educators that have not been able to rely on technology due to the inadequate school infrastructure and the lack of teacher ability to utilize simple technological media. This results in a monotone learning process. Students felt bored and unenthusiastic in the learning process without any media. Thus, it has an impact on students' learning outcomes that have not reached the target value above the average. Solutions is in the study, research integrate augmented reality assessed by Assemble Edu with conventional diorama media. Diorama is a 3D visual media designed in the form of miniature space equipped with flat walls so as to create a display that looks real. Jannah and Basit 2090. In learning, the use of AR technology is facilitated through Assemble Edu software. Assemble Edu is an educational platform that provides tools to create 3D and augmented reality media interactively. This platform is designed to support learning so that it provides assistance for a teacher in creating memorable learning contents for students. This media is equipped with sound, real image, and moving 3D images, as well as complete material explanations in the diorama and augmented reality. The use of this media also involves students to move because before the use of augmented reality, students are required to arrange the diorama that has been provided. Based on the background of the problems that become obstacles in the learning process, it is necessary to refresh the learning process to make it feel interesting and fun so that students are more enthusiastic to participate in the learning process. One of the media that can be used is the Assemble Edu based augmented reality diorama. Research purpose. The purpose of this study was to determine the effectiveness of augmented reality diorama assessed by Assemble Edu in improving learning outcomes of IPA subject in elementary schools. Research method. The method used is a quantitative type experiment. The design used is one group process pretest design. Subject 4 grade students of SDN 1 Ngemplak. Data collection technique, interview and pretest process. Data analysis technique, descriptive analysis, normality test, t-test, and guide. Locations in SDN 1 Ngemplak. Result and discussions. Table 1, pretest and process result. Based on the table of descriptive test result of pretest process learning using augmented reality dioramas assessed by Assemble Edu, the minimum value obtained in the pretest was 35 and the process was 60, with an average value of 45, while the maximum value obtained in the process was 60, and then in the process obtained 95, with an average value of 80. Table 2, Normality Test. Based on the above analysis, the pretest possessed Shapiro value chalk SPSS can be seen that the sixth value on the possess is 0.386 greater than 0.05. So, the conclusion is that the pretest possessed data on student learning outcomes is normality distributed. Table 3, Calculations of Variable Statistic t-test. Based on the results of the t-test calculations in the table above that seeks to tailored of 0.000 smaller than 0.05, which means H0 is rejected and HA is accepted. So, the conclusion is that there is a difference in student learning outcomes on the pretest process because there is a significant difference in average score, so that it can be said that diorama augmented reality is effective in improving IPAS learning outcomes in learning elementary schools. Table 4, Categories of NCAN pretest and posttest. Based on the results of the pretest and posttest, it can be seen the level of effectiveness of the use of Assembler Edu-based augmented reality diorama media through a normalized scan or NCAN. Based on the calculation, the average obtained is 0.59, which is located in the interval 56 to 75%, based on the table 2, which means that augmented reality diorama media assessed by Assembler Edu in improving student IPAS learning outcomes in the medium category with a fairly effective interpretations. The use of diorama augmented reality is a media innovation that is used in learning with the aim of increasing the enthusiasm for learning and student learning outcomes. In addition, it also provides benefits for teachers because it is facilitated in preparing the material they want to teach. Aprilia, Neviarni, Arif, and Amini 2022. This research was conducted in 2 sessions. The first was a pretest to determine the initial ability. Then in the second sessions, learning was carried out using diorama augmented reality media assessed by Assembler Edu, followed by checking the final test data or post-test. Overall, the results of this study prove that there is an increase the average value of students after being treated using diorama augmented reality media assessed by Assembler Edu. The average value increased from 49.67 to 79.333 with a maximum value of 85 to 95. This means that augmented reality media assessed by Assembler Edu can increase student motivation and interest in learning. Students who are invited to explore and utilize digital media in learning will be more excited and enthusiastic in learning, so that it will affect learning outcomes. The applications of this media create new innovations that are more creative and make it easier for a teacher to develop materials so that learning becomes more effective and fun. There is a high enough increase in the use of augmented reality diorama media assessed by Assembler Edu, so that it is said that this media effective enough to improve students' learning outcomes in science learning in elementary schools. Conclusions. Data analysis show that student learning outcomes improve significantly specifically after applying the Sumber Edu assisted by augmented reality drama media. Students look excited and not bored during the learning process. However, there are obstacles, namely internet connections that are not smooth. But there are also supporting factors, namely enthusiastic and active studying during the learning. That's all for my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.